Today I'm going to show how to change the cabin air filter on a 2020 to 2026 Subaru Outback 6th generation. So the air filter for the cabin is under this glove box. So what you need to do, open the glove box, clean anything that's in there, make it all easy, clear. Now here's a shock, pull it out just like that. So now you release the shock. All you have to do now is squeeze both sides, this side towards that way and that side towards this way. So squeeze both sides and that will drop the entire glove box. As you can see, it'll come apart. That's fine. It's hinging right here. So now you have full access to the filter housing. All you have to do is squeeze these little tabs. So that comes off, that comes off, both those, and this lid can be slid out. Inside there is the cabin air filter. As you can see here, let's inspect it. There are some little dirt here and there, you can see there. You can see a little bit of dirt in there. So all you have to do is get the new one and put it back in there. What's interesting here is that this is straight from the factory. The filter is supposed to go up. There are some filters that will say airflow and then they'll put an arrow up or down. So you got to understand that they're two different things. In this filter, it goes facing up. But if your filter says air direction up or down, you need to know which way the air is blowing. In this case, as you know, the debris is on the top, which means air is going from top to bottom. It's kind of catching the debris on the top, and your arrow should be pointing downward on those filters that have airflow direction arrow pointing down. Just remember that. Factory one just says put it up because that's the direction that filter goes compared to airflow direction on aftermarket filters. So just a quick reminder on that. Now we'll just put it back. All you have to do is slide this in, top first. Okay, top is in, all done. Now we put this back on. You put those hinges right on the spot, right here. As you can see, the hinge mates. Once the hinge is in place, you can just squeeze slightly the sides and it'll go catch right there. Now you extend this arm of the shock, press it in, and you are all done. Put the materials back in there, check the operation a couple of times, and that's it. So that's how you change the cabin air filter on a 6th generation 2020 onwards up Subaru Outback. Hope you liked the video. If you want to see how to change the engine air filter, I have another video on that as well. Do check that out. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.